Exercise 5. Living in London. Listen to the last part of the talk and write down the prices in the boxes provided.
Now let's turn to clothes. It's difficult to find an average price for clothes because there is a big difference in the price range, depending on the kind of shop you buy your clothes in and what quality you buy. I've just walked around some local shops, however, and these are the prices I saw. A shirt, £12, a jacket, £45, a pair of jeans costs £25, a pair of running shoes costs £35, and a warm coat £50. A light raincoat is £39. A skirt is £23, and a day dress is £49. What do you think? Is London cheaper or more expensive than your city?